Hello, my name is Lindsay Sikora, and this tutorial on conducting an effective literature search will show you strategies and techniques to find relevant information for your literature review. The topics covered will include the purpose of a literature review and steps you will encounter in the process of writing one, preparing an effective literature search strategy, and how to execute proper searching in library database and search tools. A literature review is only part of the research process. In most cases, you need to search the literature to write a literature review or a research paper. Understanding what you are trying to accomplish and the kind of information you need will help you figure out the best approach to your literature search. So let's start with a definition of a literature review. A literature review is an account of what has been published on a topic by established scientists. The review should convey the knowledge and ideas that have been established on the topic and also what their strengths and weaknesses are. This means that the purpose of a literature review includes providing a historical overview of developments or discoveries on your research topic, highlighting key authors, debates, and concepts including correlations, contradictions, ambiguities, and knowledge gaps, and summarizing available techniques and materials used to study your research topic while presenting strengths and weaknesses of previous works and techniques. What is a systematic review? A systematic review is a type of literature review, but is more comprehensive and rigorous. A systematic review attempts to collate all empirical evidence that fits pre-specified eligibility criteria in order to answer a specific research question. It uses explicit, systematic methods that are selected with a view to minimizing bias, thus providing more reliable findings from which conclusions can be drawn and decisions can be made. Often, systematic reviews include thorough background of the problem which generated the research question, detailed methods that include which databases were searched and include an example of the search strategies. There is screening by two independent researchers for both the title abstract screening as well as full-text screening, data extraction screening and critical appraisal, and the synthesis of the findings, sometimes with a meta-analysis included. While the expectation for writing your report is to not fully complete a systematic review, the steps for searching the databases, including noting which databases you searched and providing the search strategy for each database, will be expected. Documenting the process is essential. These are the steps involved in conducting a literature review. First, you'll start by choosing a topic. Then, you'll collect the information through literature searches. You should manage your references by keeping track of which information sources you'll include in your literature review. As you read the publications from your searches, you'll be evaluating the information that will shape your ideas about your research topic. Lastly, you'll think about how to structure and write your literature review or research paper. You'll notice that some of these steps are connected by dashed gray arrows. These arrows illustrate that this is an iterative process. You may have to repeat some of these steps before you end up with a complete and coherent literature review. Next, we're going to talk about preparing an effective search strategy.